Bismillah, walhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah, amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Shammas Niazi, President of Alhussnain Seminary. Alhussnain Seminary was founded back in 2012. 10 years ago, we didn't think we'd be standing here today in front of this 90,000 square foot building. What is to be, inshallah, our new home. We know that the Prophet ﷺ, he told us in a hadith that a person will leave this world and only leave behind three things. All of his deeds will stop. Every single deed will stop except for three things. Of those three things, the one thing that the Prophet ﷺ, he mentioned was sadaqah jariyah, charity that benefits the giver long after the giver is gone from this world. This building cannot be purchased without the help of you. We need each and every single person to pitch in, to share this video, this message with as many people as possible so we can close in 4 months. The deadline is 4 months. We have to raise $7 million in these 120 days in order to close on the property. We humbly request each and every single one of you to donate. No amount is insignificant. Even if it's $1, every single bit counts.